Hello, so tonight we are going to observe the Quadrantids meteor shower, first meteor shower of 2025, and its parent comet is relatively new. It has been just identified in 2003, I guess, but I think it was also identified by the Chinese some 500 years ago. It might be the same comet. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. So tonight we have taken out the pickup truck and we'll be going off-roading in this. We are going about 50 kilometers from the city. So this is my pickup truck which I rarely use, Tata Xenon. It has a 3-liter engine and it has seen a lot of action, and I think it has almost run about 100,000 kilometers, and it's my trusted vehicle for my trips, whether be it astro trips or my work related trips, and it has seen a lot of action. Can comfortably seat 4 people, and it has a storage in the back also. And tonight we are taking beds with us so we can lie down and observe the meteor shower, which is the best way to actually observe them. So the weather is actually pretty comfortable. It says like it's 17 degrees right now, and the minimum will be like 12 degrees, which is actually, I would say, on the higher side for this time of the year. It's very comfortable, but still I am very prepared and I have all the layers, and it's a very clear night. It's very dry, there's no winds, so I think it's a good night to observe. Just waiting for a few friends, and we're just having delicious hot coffee, and we'll be leaving just a while. It's still not very cold. I think it's still 15-16 degrees, and there's actually zero wind. It's pretty comfortable. So we have stopped for tea, and we are stopping only. This is our, I think, fourth, fifth stop, but it's very clear. I don't think so you can see the stars, but it's really very clear.
एक्चुअली थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है यार। देखो सर, मतलब जो ब्राइटर पार्ट्स हैं।
क्यों?
मना कर दे, काका का मूड नहीं बनाने का।
अरे क्या हो गया?
बताओ रिव्यू।
So this guy has just refused us tea, so we are going back. We'll have to find some another dhaba on the way. This is the first time someone has refused tea to us in India. This usually does not happen. Please give 0 stars to this place. I'll link it down below, and leave 0 stars for Dashmish Dhaba. We have reached the location, and it's very cold, as you can see or not see, I'm not sure, but it's very clear, and this is the direction we'll be watching for the meteor shower. And I'll just set up the beds and all, so we can just lie down and observe the meteor shower. And it's a very clear night today. This is the most clear it has been this season, and I can literally see thousands of stars right now. Okay, so we have just set up our makeshift viewing den. This is the best way to actually with a meteor shower. Just lie down on your back and just observe, because otherwise your neck will be strained how if you just keep on staring like that. So I think this is the best way to observe. So we'll observe, and I'll let you know the count in an hour or so. So I've just set up the camera A7S3. So I've set it at ISO 2000 f4, because this is an f4 lens, not an f2.8 lens, 20 seconds. And I'll put it on interval meter, and hopefully we'll capture a few meteors in this. And it's a very it's really freezing cold now. We have seen about two meteors till now, but we are hoping to see at least 20-30 by the end of this session, and hopefully this will not disappoint us, because it's actually very clear. One of the clearest nights this season, I would say. A few patches of cloud, but they are not troubling us. They are coming and going. So tonight I have got an Sony A7S3 with the 24-105 f4 lens. I did not have an f2.8 lens today with me, but f4 is fine on this camera because it has really nice low light capabilities, and it's very clear today. This is my choice of camera mostly, A7S3 or A7R3. I have shot 95% of my images on that, and this video is being shot on the Action Camera 5 Pro in the super night mode. If you can see over there, we have also got two Nikons are also on the field, and they are capturing a different side. So we capture a 360-degree view. We don't miss any Meteor today. And the two Nikons are over there. The Sony is over here. And we are watching from there, behind the car. I have put on one more layer of jacket. It's getting colder and colder. And I think it's 3 a.m. or 3:30. We'll get out the tea and all now, and the current count in about 30 minutes is 7 now, so we're not so hopeful. Maybe we'll see 15 to 20 in an hour, and hopefully we have caught I think we have caught 2 or 3 on the camera at least, uh, but we'll have to see that once we get home. It's a magical night. Even though we have come one day earlier than the peak. I think the peak is on 3rd, but it's actually 3rd now. I'm always confused if it's the 3rd, they count the 3rd as in the day, or they count it after midnight. I'm really not sure, but it has been a very magical night, and we have been out after a long time. This place actually, we have chosen this place because it's actually very dark, right on the edge of the forest, and it's a clear 360 degrees. There are no big trees around here, and it's a big open ground, pretty safe, and no interference from any cars or passing by lights or anything. And it's very quiet, very peaceful, and all 360-degree round view. I think you can see a small dot behind me in the sky. That's Jupiter, and it's really bright. It's the brightest object in the night sky currently, and it's actually very bright. Uh, I think you can see it. It's just right behind me, I think. It's right above my head, I think, and that's Jupiter. And I think you can see a few more stars also. This is almost zero light. There are no lights over here, only one torch light of the mobile, and it's super dark. We have bought some snacks also with us. I'm eating, that's why. And this is gajak. This is special sweets only available during winter, and from North India. This one is from Gwalior, special gajak. And we also have some tea with us. Double digit. We have just hit 10 meteors for the night in 40 minutes. Good, not bad, but not great. We also have some
Power bank.
chocolates. Power bank. No, we have roasted almond and sea salt caramel and chips. We are having tea now. This is our, I don't know what, 5th tea break. Coffee, tea, 5th break. This is our snacks bar. And so we are wrapping up now. It's 4 o'clock, and our final count was 20. Combined, we saw 20 meteors and some 15 planes, 15, 20, 16 planes crisscrossing over here and going all over the world. So signing off now, and see you in the next video.